If you need a side hustle, I'm going to give you some ideas. Take what you like, leave what you don't. And if you have a favorite side hustle, leave it in the comments. That way, everybody who sees this can see my ideas as well as everyone else's as well. And we can all win. Starting off with the obvious, we got Instacart, DoorDash, and Uber Eats. This is a really common one. You can also drive for Uber or Lyft. Write copy for websites and emails. You can list yourself on Fiverr. You can be very successful doing this if you like to write. You can be a virtual assistant. This is something you can learn to do on YouTube. You can do digital products like ebooks, guides, etc. Not on Etsy, but like selling them on social media, things that you know how to do very well, you can teach others. Furniture flipping. So get a free piece of furniture or very cheap and flip it, make it look amazing and sell it. You can sell things on Facebook Marketplace. You can donate plasma, which brings in hundreds of dollars per month. You can take online surveys, which is kind of boring, but you can make money doing it. You can sell stuff on Poshmark, like clothing and jewelry. You can become a Facebook, Google, or Instagram ads manager. Again, you can learn that on YouTube. I've done it before. You can do crafting, like knitting, jewelry, etc., and sell your crafts. You can build websites, which again, you can learn how to do all of these things online. It just takes some research. You can do couponing, which will save you money with Ibotta, etc. You can sell plants. So if you love plants, like I really love plants, you can propagate them and sell the clippings. You can be a style consultant with people who need help with that. You can do interior design. You can be a dog walker if you love dogs. You can also house or pet sit. That's a good one. You can do tutoring if you're good at a certain subject. You can also teach art lessons or something similar if you really love art and you're good at it. You can do photography. Again, you can teach photography classes if you want to. And you can have an online boutique like clothes, crystals, etc. Whatever you like. I hope this helps. This is just a random list of ideas that I could think of. If you see something, go and try it and see if it works for you. And like I said, if you have any ideas or things that have worked for you in the past, leave them down below and see if you can help someone out. Happy budgeting, happy saving, happy making money.